We're looking at a fairly rare Santana version of a Series 3 Land Rover here at Robison Service. This is a recent project that's heading to its home in Nantucket. This is a long wheelbase, a 109 four-door pickup configuration that's set up to carry 8 passengers. It's really, really rare to see these vehicles in any form, but the Santana version is really pretty unique. Austin's going to show us what we've done, starting with the engine.
So in order to get the Land Rover engine to fit inside the Santana,
the engine was failed in this truck.
In order to get it to fit, we had to cut out the old motor mount, weld in a new motor mount. We had to run all new fuel lines. It was a whole new setup. We had to figure out a new solution for the air cleaner. We had to relocate the battery. There's no longer room for the fan to fit, so we had to install an electric fan with a controller right here that we can adjust. We found a solution for the coolant pipes.
And this is a Land Rover 2.5 military diesel, a very rugged, well-respected Land Rover engine from the early 90s. So it's contemporaneous with this truck. Also the winch there, this had one of the early series worn winches, and that's the modern version of it.
It's basically an identical match.
Yep.
We also went through the wipers to get them to work.
Want to show them that?
They originally were not working at all. They were painted over, sealed shut.
Yeah, these wipers probably hadn't worked in 20 years on this truck. And didn't we also have to refit the windshield mounts here?
Yes. So we put on new windshield mounts. The old one was broken off and it was just held on with one bolt, so we replaced both.
And we've got new Michelin XZL tires on refinished rims. So yeah, that's a major improvement.
New
and
side steps.
You've got you want to flip a step down?
Sure.
These are the old style steps, which are different from what's on the newer ones. And we've actually done a kind of a nice job here with the tailgate. Can we show them the tailgate, Austin?
Yeah, we also did the rear step, and I moved the mud flaps forward. They were originally flat on the back, so I made a big wall. The tailgate, the chains kept getting bound up, so we added a bungee cord and some springs to keep them from...
So when you close it, the bungee cord pulls the chains in, so they no longer tangle. And we've got seating. These all have seat belts, right? Except for that one, which doesn't have an anchor point. Can you show them the cover under that?
It's hard to get to. It's the way it's bolted on.
Oh, right.
It's sort of half bolted on this cover here.
Yeah. So there's a storage box there, and so this seat isn't really well secured, but that seems to be the way Santana delivered it.